Hello, class. I hope you are having a good Sunday. I spent a good part of today working on your papers, and they were very, very good overall. I was very impressed with the work that you guys have done. But what I wanted to share with you is a couple of things. We have already gone through the 10 chapters that were required in planning and controlling for this course. And we have 2 weeks of theory left, and then we go into our final exams. And as you know, our classes are on Mondays and Wednesdays. So what I'm going to ask you to do, okay, I believe our exam is I think it's the 14th of December. If memory serves me correctly, I'm just going to double check that now. Hold on a second. Final exam instructions. Yeah, it is the 14th of December, and it is at 11:30. So, having said that, what I want you to know is that we essentially are going to have 2 weeks of theory left. The week starting tomorrow, which will be the 28th of November, and also the week of December 5th, okay, the following week. And that is going to be it before the final. Now, what I am going to recommend is the following. I have already plugged in some automatic points for class participation, which were factored in, and there are 6 points. Now, here's the deal. The deal is that I am going to take attendance for the next 2 weeks of class. So, as far as I'm concerned, everyone is 6 points now, until at such point you don't show up for class and not have a good reason, and I will deduct class participation points. So I'm not holding a carrot over your head, but I have to justify it somehow. But this is the good part. What I am going to ask you guys to do, now again, I am making this webcam video for both my Monday and Wednesday class and my Monday and Friday class. If you're on my Monday and Friday class, your exam is going to be the 16th of December at 2:30. So essentially, the deal is this. Starting tomorrow, which is the 28th of November, okay, on the 28th and on the 30th, I want you guys to be working in class on your Walgreen project. I'm going to give you that time to work on it. Like I says, we've already gone through all of our chapters. For those of you that are in my okay, so that's for both sections. Whether you're Monday and Wednesday or Monday or Friday, you're going to work on Walgreens this coming week. For the following week, that's the week of December 5th, I'm going to use that class time to allow you to work on your final projects. All right? Monday and Wednesday or Monday and Friday. Now, in both cases, you both have Monday classes for the following week, meaning it's literally the 12th of December. All right? What I want you to do is get ready, all right, to make your presentations on that day for the Walgreens case. Again, you will, on the 12th of December, whether you are going to be my my 10 o'clock class or my 12:30 class on Monday, the 12th, you will be doing your Walgreen presentation. All right? We have to get it all in. So in that hour and 15 minutes, I want to make sure that you time it so that we have 6 groups. All right? Not on the Monday and Friday class. On the Monday and Wednesday class, there are 6 groups. So in an hour and 15 minutes, if you do the math, if you divide 6 groups, right, into an hour and 15 minutes, right, which is basically 75 minutes, do the math and figure out that, let's see, 7 and a 6, 1, 7 and a 15, 2. You've got about 12, 13 minutes a group to get your group in. So whatever you need to do, okay, in 12 to 13 minutes, each person is going to have to decide to say their spiel, okay? So I'm holding you to that. If you're the Monday and Friday class, that's a little bit different. There are only 3 groups, but nevertheless, you want to make sure that all groups are able to present. Now, that leaves examination days for both of you, both classes. On the 14th of December, my Monday and Wednesday class, 10 to 11:15, you guys are going to have to, all right, do this. You actually have 2.5 hours for your final. So decide how each group is going to divide 2.5 hours, or 150 minutes, into each presentation. And by the way, all your team commitments and everything have to be, they're all separate uploads, which will automatically populate for you. Now, the same is going to go for the Monday and Friday class. Your class is 2:30 in the afternoon, not 11:30 in the morning with my Monday and Wednesday class. So you're going to be doing the same thing. You have 2.5 hours to do your final, and you got to get it all in, which I'm sure that won't be a problem. You have half the groups, and that'll be on your final exams. And both classes are working on projects for bringing in a food and then bringing in a sample of that food for your project. But that is not mandatory. So what I'm saying, I don't say, DeChico said if you don't bring food and bring a sample in, it's going to affect the grade. That's rumor, that's propaganda, that's not true. All right? But if you do, it's all great. We'll have a little bit of fun while we're presenting our PowerPoints. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. And I will put this announcement, in announcements. So don't look for any more modules now, okay? I'm putting this in your announcements, and it'll blast out to both of my classes. Section 1 for Monday and Wednesday, and Section 5 for Monday and Friday. Okay, talk to you later.